As you all know, the world population is ever increasing and it is anticipated to reach more than 9.8 billion by 2050. Do we have enough produce to feed the increasing world population? That is a challenging question to answer. But why? Often our food produce suffers infestation by insect pests in field and in storage. It is reported that about 20% of the produce is lost during storage due to insect damage. How do we reduce insect infestation and make our produce sustainable? Synthetic insecticides have been the choice for preservation of stored product produce from insect pests since ages. However, the development of insect resistance to insecticides and consumers' awareness on ill effects of synthetic pesticides on human health has increased the search of viable alternatives to conventional insecticides. Silica dusts are regarded as alternative to synthetic pesticides as they are chemically inert and have been successfully used for the control of stored product insects. What are silica dusts? These are dusts that are made up of fossilized skeletons of diatoms, which are phytoplanktons. How do they kill insects? They absorb the waxy cuticle layer of the insects, thereby causing water loss and making them desiccate and die. My current research focuses to evaluate the efficacy of two new silica dusts obtained from an industry on stored product insects. To achieve this, I carried out contact toxicity experiments using concrete arenas treated with silica dust and exposed them to insects at various concentrations and exposure times. We observed that the mortality of the stored product insects could be achieved at a concentration of 6 grams per meter square or more exposed for 12 hours. In addition, treatment of insects at these concentrations completely inhibited the progeny production. The results of the present study indicate that the two new silica dusts can be used to treat empty bins prior to storage of food grains to prevent insect infestation. My research also encompasses to evaluate the efficacy of silica dust to be used as grain protectants on insect mortality and reduction in progeny production. For this, I will be admixing the silica dust at 5 different concentrations for various treatment times, evaluating their efficacy in killing the stored product insect pests as well as reducing the progeny production. The results of the study will be useful in implementing the developed protocols under storage conditions without the use of synthetic pesticides and can be a viable treatment option for organic produce as well. Thank you all for your attention.